Hi, this is Eric with Hydrokleen. Today, I'm going to be cleaning a dryer vent. This is a service we recently started to offer, and a lot of dryers can build up quite a bit of lint and dust and dirt. People will clean their dryer vents quite frequently, but they can't get what's in here. So today, I'm going to offer a demonstration of just what you can get out of here. Now, I've already gone inside this home and I've measured out how far this tube needs to be inserted into the dryer vent. This tube is connected to an air compressor, so when I hit this little trigger, this little bullet here is going to spin. It's going to be fed through that hole, and all this dryer vent is going to be cleaned out. So I'm going to get started here. Just insert that like that. That was one blast. Got a lot more to go. Tangle here. Alright, so I've hit my marker. So I've officially entered the entire length of the dryer vent. So now I'm going to let it run, and I'm going to pull all of this dust and all of this lint back out of the machine. And as you can see, there was quite a bit of lint and dust in that machine here. We got some right here on the ground. If you want to come take a look. So yeah, it made quite a bit of mess. This dryer vent, I know for a fact, hasn't been cleaned in at least 3 years. Some of them haven't been cleaned in longer. Some have been there for decades and have never been cleaned. So, yeah, that's all there is to it. I would strongly recommend, if you own a dryer vent, and most of you do, strongly consider getting them cleaned. Alright, this is Eric at Hydrokleen. Have a great day.